A very good morning, dear students, and now let us discuss in Food for All the next part of the lesson, that is food security. Now, you know that food is our basic necessity, so every person requires food, and so many countries have made laws to ensure that every person gets the sufficient food according to their need. Okay, so these laws which are having taking care of the security of the food is called as the food security law. So in our country also this food security law has been enacted in the year 2013. So it has made it possible for to fight against the certain illnesses like malnutrition or maybe starvation and even deaths due to hunger. Due to this food security law, every person gets his basic need, that is food. So there is no malnutrition. You know that malnutrition means those children or those people who are getting very less of food and they show a lot of symptoms which cause them which make them ill. So that is called as malnutrition, or the less nutrition which is supplied to them. So to in order to get the food for even all the below poverty line people also, they should get this food. These laws are been enacted in every countries, and remember in our country this law has been enacted in the year 2013. Fine. So let us now proceed further with the next part of the lesson, that is agricultural assistance program. Okay, what is meant by agricultural assistance program? We all know that farming is the noblest profession. It is because of the farmers we all people are getting food, and therefore there has to be certain programs which help these farmers in making their produce more, okay, or getting higher yield. And for that there are programs called as agricultural assistance program. So assistance means nothing but the help which is provided to the farmers in different ways. Okay, so through these programs the farmers are given proper information or maybe guidance about latest technologies. Fine. So like irrigation facilities, modern agricultural technology, or maybe improved seeds, fertilizers, and even the use of the pesticides. So all these are required for the farmers to know, because it's that these days due to global warming and all, lot of weather changes are taking place. Okay, suddenly there will be, suppose when there in the October season also, when it is the harvesting time for the farmers, suddenly the rain will be starting. So the farmer needs to know all these details about the weather forecast and all. So this agricultural assistance program is due to weather change and all, that the crop growth is affected, or maybe productivity of the crops is affected, and so agricultural assistance centers are there for the farmers to help them to tell about the weather forecast. And not only about the weather forecast, but even the agriculture related information is given by these agricultural centers. So not only these but these agricultural assistance program has also started certain schools for the farmers. That means in these schools the farmers are able to go, the members of the family of the farmer's family can go to this school and try to get the latest information about the improved methods of farming. Okay, or whatever doubts they have in their farming, it can be given by this agricultural assistance program. Not only this, but even these programs, they are called as agricultural produce marketing committees, also hold certain exhibitions for the farmers. Like for example, you might have heard about some of the exhibitions which are taking place in Kudar. Okay, so wherein the farmers can keep anything for selling, okay, in these exhibitions. So that is also been provided by the agricultural assistance program. So it is also called as agricultural produce marketing committees are holding these exhibition, so wherein the farmers can sell any goods over there. Okay, even the animals, cattle and all that, they can also sell, like goat farming also, those who are doing that also can be done. So in these programs, that is called as agricultural marketing committees are holding this. Fine. So there are schools, there is exhibition which is conducted. Even the agriculture assistance program, this program provides information and guidance to the farmers about the weather forecasting or any other general information regarding the agriculture. Fine. So there are, agricultural departments and agricultural universities. Fine. Then there are televisions or newspaper, and even certain periodicals are also giving methods for or helping the farmers how to use the modern agricultural farming technology. Here is one of the book called as Agro 1. Okay, so this Agro 1 book also is one of the periodical which comes yearly. And helps the farmers about how to use the different technologies. Fine. And even farmers can have their write-ups in this. Fine. So these type of periodicals are also coming to help the farmers how to increase their yield. Fine. So because of all these type of works or spread of modern methods of agriculture through these programs, okay, farmers is able to increase the yield of their farming due to all these assistance programs, okay, and knowledge about information about the different modern techniques of the farming. Fine. So, and because of this, the whole country has benefited through this agricultural assistance program. So this is regarding the agricultural assistance program. So tomorrow we are going to see the last part of the lesson, that is organic farming. So till then, students, bye and thank you, and I hope so understood the lesson. So please read the lesson well. Fine. Thank you very much.
मस्त झाला ना